Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best MT5 indicator special for you. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next update and next indicator. Okay, and today I'll show you this is a paid indicator. My strategy, this is a very good indicator. This indicator name is Scalping Pro indicator. Okay, so today I'll show my live result, my Forex trade entry running, and I have $500 profit today with this indicator strategy. Okay, and if you need this indicator, join my Telegram channel. When 100,000 subscriber complete, I send indicator link. Okay, and subscribe my channel. And if you not joined by best binary broker and forex broker, link in description box, simply click and sign up. Okay, and this indicator will trade binary option and forex bot. Okay, and when you trading binary option, you time frame sense. Okay, I forex trading on 1 hours, and if you trade binary option and time frame choose 1 minute. Okay, is a very good signal. Okay, here is a up signal and market going up. Here is a down signal, market going down. Here is a down signal, market going down. Okay, is a very good indicator. Is a market is a very good indicator. I have nothing to say. Okay, very good indicator. Okay, so let's see how much I profit today. Okay,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the